Hi, I'm Anna Da Silva and I'm in Duck Done Easy for catering. And this is a beautiful porcini mushroom braised duck leg with Paris mash and broccolini. So simple, amazing. So to start for this ragu, we've got some onion, we've got some garlic, and we've got an array of mushrooms. You can use Swiss browns, king browns, portobellos, button mushrooms, but the caviar of mushrooms we're using is porcini, because that is going to be the main flavour of the sauce. So saute the onion and garlic off. We'll throw the mushrooms in there as well, because I like to also have fresh and dried mushrooms. It just makes it really earthy and beautiful in flavour. So we fry that off, and then we deglaze it with white wine, because white wine will just give a really nice little undertone there. Then we add our herbs of bay leaf and thyme, and they're my favourite herbs, which just make everything taste amazing. And then once we get that evaporated, get the alcohol out of that, then we add some porcini stock with the actual dry porcinis still in it. What we've done is we've floured our duck Marylands and we've seared them till golden brown. And what the flour does, it thickens the sauce while it cooks. So once the sauce comes to a boil, with all the beautiful mushrooms in it, we pour it over our duck Marylands in the tray, another one tray wonder, and we pop it in the oven, and we'll see you in about 2 hours. Beautiful, how good is that? It smells the earthiness of those porcini mushrooms and the duck being there caramelized, uncovered in the oven for a couple of hours. And if you don't want the bone, you can pick it off the bone, but I like the bone as well. So we've got some beautiful broccolini just to have a really nice, fresh, crunchy vegetable with it. Put it there. And some beautiful, rich Paris mash. And now it's time to build it. And look at that. Oh, it just smells beautiful. It smells like the forest of Italy. We're just going to finish it also with some fresh parsley, because that's just what makes it vibrant. Herbs is the best secret, well, not really a secret, but that is what adds flavour and aromatic tones to your dishes. And then some just final touches of some parmesan, delicious, just brings it all together. And how beautiful is that? Just brings you back to Europe. It's my duck Maryland ragu with porcini mushrooms, amazing.